And Jackson, I'm working from west to east here. You all have a tornado warning in effect. You need to take cover right now. Henderson County in West Tennessee, you see the light yellow mark there. That is a thunderstorm warning that is in effect, but we could see it to blossom into something more strong.
This just in from that.
The National Weather Service in Tennessee has issued a tornado warning for Decatur and Middle Tennessee, Smith and Middle Tennessee, Macon and Middle Tennessee, Hardin and Middle Tennessee, Dixon and Middle Tennessee, Wayne and Middle Tennessee, Humphreys and Middle Tennessee, Clay and Middle Tennessee, Jackson and Middle Tennessee, Lawrence and Middle Tennessee, Lewis and Middle Tennessee, Chatham and Robertson and Middle Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:25 Central Daylight Time, radar spotted a tornado 9 miles west of Gainesboro, or northwest of Gainesboro, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Location impacted include Gainesboro, Salina, Livingston, Waterloo, into Interstate 40. Heavy rain might have occurred with this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait or see it coming, get an A. Shelter. The safest place to be in a tornado is underground. Get in a basement or in sturdy furniture. If no basement is not available, seek shelter in the lowest floor in the building, in the interior hallway or room such as in closet. Use blanket or a pillow to cover your body. Stay away from windows. If mobile homes are being used, get in some sturdy shelters or lay down in a flat ditch. In the lowest ditch, then cover your body with your hand.